Want to get somebody's secrets? Give them good food. Hi, I'm Curtis Louvier, 10-time world champion gumbo cook, and I'm going to do a chicken and sausage gumbo for you like a champion.
We love to eat in Louisiana. You know, we like the big quantity. Hello everyone, my name is Chef Roman Landry at Cypress Bayou Casino. Today I will be making some seafood gumbo for everyone.
Do you have to be a professional to cook like one?
No, anybody can cook. If you love to cook, anybody can cook. You have to add the love. The love is what makes it.
Now baby, are you coming with me? Is you is or is you ain't?
Wow, that's so amazing.
I wanna be in the Crescent City by the feast of the saints.
Good afternoon, I'm Walter Voorhees. I'm head cook for Uncle's Barbecue Sauce here in New Iberia, Louisiana. We're going to try to cook a melange gumbo for you. It's not just about the gumbo, it's about so much more, you know. And that's what the Cajun people are about. They're about interacting and socializing and sharing their talents and their love and their energy with each other. That joie de vivre that is so important to us as a community.
And I gave away more secrets today than I have since I was a long time.